ISECT group has been one of the pioneers when it comes to skilling, and I would really like to congratulate it for its latest initiative, which is the Scope Global Skills University. I think it's the first of its kind, especially in MP, and definitely something that was really needed, considering and I say that from a point of view of the industries here, that this was a big gap that could be fulfilled by this university. So even the roundtable today was a great initiative where we had so many people from the industry, and everyone sort of gave their point of view, which really makes sense. And one of the important things that came out is how closely we can work together. We as industry can work together with Scope Global Skills University, not just to design the curriculum, but to make it in such a way that it is acceptable to the university and it's beneficial for one and all. That would include, the industry is really looking for skilled manpower. There's a big dearth of it currently, and a great thing for not just for Bhopal, but for India's industry ecosystem.